This is outcome 2 in Unit 1, and it's volumes of solids. First question here, we're asked about the volume of a cone. Now, the volume of a cone is given by 1/3 pi r squared h. Now, this formula is given to you in an AB and in the exam, so don't try to memorise it. Even if you have remembered it, just double check on your formula sheet to be sure. And now it's just a case of making sure we substitute things in correctly. So it's 1/3 times pi times the radius is 4.5, so 4.5 squared, times the height, which is 9. And remember, depending on your calculator, it will depend how you can put this third in. You may be able to put it as a fraction, or it will just be 1 divided by 3, times pi times 4.5 squared times 9. Which gives you 190.85175. Now, I'm just going to double check the question here. It's just asked me to calculate the volume. It's not given me a number of significant figures or decimal places, so I'm going to round that up to tidy it up slightly. I'm going to say 190.85 cubic metres. Second question here asks us to calculate the volume of a sphere with radius 5.4 centimetres, and it asks us to give our answer correct to 2 significant figures and to state the units clearly. So we're going to need to be careful with our answer here. Again, for the formula, check your formula sheet on the front of the exam. And for a sphere, the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Again, we just need to make sure we substitute correctly. So 4/3 times pi times 5.4 cubed. And again, careful with your calculator how you put this, which gives us 659.584. And that would be cubic centimetres. But I just need to double check. I've been asked to give it to 2 significant figures. So my first 2 numbers are 65, followed by a 9, so I'm going to round it up, and I'm going to have 660 cubic centimetres. Third question is the volume of a cylinder. And the volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared h. Pi r squared, remember, gives us the area of the circle, multiplied by h to get the volume. So pi times 3.7 squared times 9.5. Again, just being careful how you put this into, which is 408.5798. I'm just going to check, calculate the volume, give the answer correct to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Next number's a 5, so I'm going to round up. It's going to give me 409 cubic centimetres. Okay, 9 marks available in outcome 2. I hope that helps.